Veg Pakora. So dear friends, this yummy and crispy pakoras, we just add onions and some salt on top of it. This is the required amount of salt for the whole dish. So first let's put it on the onions and give it a mix. Now we can add all the other vegetables. Anyway, this onion is optional. Suppose you don't wish to add onions or you don't have onions, you can just avoid them and straight away start with the other vegetables. I am adding some cabbage here, but cabbage is a must for this dish and it gives a nice flavor and taste. And then carrot. Mix everything well. See to that the salt is there. And now I am adding some potatoes, capsicums. Capsicums are giving a beautiful flavor, so it's I would recommend you all to add some capsicums also here. If you don't have other veggies also, it's okay, but capsicums also will give a nice flavor, so please add some capsicums. Any color is okay. Now can you see the salt which we added is giving a nice juicy effect. To that I am adding some green chillies and ginger paste. This is to give a spice up. So I am adding green chillies and ginger. Now there is enough of moist in the vegetables. Here I am adding some Ajwain seeds, chili powder, turmeric powder and sambar powder. So you can add some masala powder for this if you require. Squeeze half a lemon and now add the besan flour. Then add the rice flour. We didn't add any water. Just that salt and the juice of vegetables have given us this moist, and this will do. Because if you're going to add some water, what will happen is they will absorb more oil. So let's avoid water, and here I am adding some coriander or cilantro leaves. Heat some oil in a pan. Now take our veggie mix and drop them into small shape like this. This can be of any shape. You can either make them flat or even some small lumps or balls like that, you can add it. Let them be in medium flame. Turn aside and we can remove them from oil. I am using olive oil here. You can use any cooking oil for frying them. So here, look at this. They have come out really well, crunchy and yummy. You can alternate this by not adding besan flour. You can use some corn flour instead of this. The corn means the maize flour, not the corn starch, but the flour which is available. You can use corn flour and then some rice flour and do the same recipe. So dear friends,
hope you enjoyed this session of making these lovely crispy veg pakoras. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Recipes is all about enhancing your taste buds. Thank you and bye-bye.